Good evening to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about theories of acid bases. Theories of acids and bases. First theory is Arrhenius acid base theory. Arrhenius is a scientist. Now, what is the definition of Arrhenius acid, sir? Arrhenius acid is a substance which can produce H plus ions when dissolving in water. It is a substance. When an acid is a substance which can produce hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Simply, it is a substance. Arrhenius acid is a substance which can produce, an acid is a substance which can produce hydrogen ions, that is H plus ion in water or dissolved in water. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, H2CO3, carbonic acid, etc. Second one, Arrhenius base. What is the definition of Arrhenius base? Arrhenius base is a base. It is a base is a substance which can produce hydroxide ions or hydroxyl ions when it is dissolved in water. Simply, it is a substance which can produce hydroxide ions or hydroxyl ion, that is OH minus ions, when it dissolves in water. For example, here NaOH, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, etc. Ammonium hydroxide, so many is there, etc. Okay, these are the definitions. What is Arrhenius acid? What is Arrhenius base? Okay, an Arrhenius acid is a substance which can produce Arrhenius acid is a substance which can produce hydrogen ion in water or dissolved in, when it is dissolved in water, is called Arrhenius acid. What examples? These are all examples: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H2CO3, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, etc. Arrhenius base. Okay, an Arrhenius base is a substance which can produce OH minus ions when it is dissolved in water. Example: sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, ferrous hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, etc. Now, what happens, sir? In this Arrhenius acid combines with base to form neutralization reaction. Arrhenius neutralization. What is a neutralization, sir? The reaction between an acid with base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Simply, if you take one vessel here, okay, now I am taking either base in a test tube, add 1 or 2 drops of phenol indicator in it. When phenol indicator is added to the base, it appears pink in color. Okay, this is a pink color solution. Now I am adding dilute HCl solution to the pink color solution with the help of dropper. The pink color is slowly reduced. We can conclude that here an acid HCl, base sodium hydroxide, these two are combined to form a neutral salt NaCl and as well as H2O. Okay, this is called neutralization reaction. And what are the limitations of Arrhenius concept, sir? Okay, limitations of Arrhenius theory. Okay, what are the limitations? Arrhenius theory could not explain the acidic behavior like non-metal oxides like carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide, nitrogen dioxide. First one, it could not explain acidic behavior of CO2, NO2, SO2, SO3, etc. Like that, it could not explain basic behavior of ammonia, metal oxide, sodium oxide, calcium oxide, and as well as potassium oxide. Okay, one more limitation is there. Third limitation, that is it recognizes dissociation of acids and bases in the presence of aqueous medium only. The dissociation of acids and bases in aqueous medium only. The dissociation, it recognizes dissociation of an acid or base in the aqueous medium only. Aqueous medium. Okay, these are the limitations of Arrhenius concept. Thank you.